Uh-oh. Dead battery award. Well, guess what? I kind of figured that was going to happen. This Jeep's been sitting for a couple of weeks with the security alarm and all kinds of other electronics. But let me demonstrate the value of the Genesis dual battery setup that I have here. So I have the main battery, which is used for running the vehicle. I have an accessory battery. They are electronically separated depending on voltages, but right now they are. But right here is a little button back here. Let's see if we can see it right here, right there. That button allows me to temporarily connect them. And it's basically like jump starting yourself. So now I've connected my main battery to my accessory battery. And with that, I am up and running. So I just thought I'd share that with you because, I mean, it is kind of nice. Granted, it's dual battery, so, you know, I could be stranded somewhere looking for a jump, but I have my own jump start battery right there in the hood. So anyway, guys, just wanted to share that with you. I knew that was going to happen. That's why I brought the camera with me. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.